January 27, 2017. Look at what I found when I arrived. So beautiful. They are on their favorite tree. So as usual, please like, comment and share if you would like. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and YouTube on Oulala Photographie Nature. Thank you, see you soon for another video. Bye.